Again?
We broke it.
You push down on this and it activates it, and then it turns into a bow staff.
But it's like really sharp metal.
Oh, it's like...
And it'll like cut you. Can you do it smoothly? Almost. Okay, look. I'm gonna do it same. Am I like in the middle?
Yeah.
Oh! I still got it.
Which
You got turning it the wrong way.
It's a two-man job.
Like you're supposed to unravel it to be looser?
yeah, so I just like push down on it, and then
Oh, that will still hurt.
you just keep twisting it somewhere, and then it helps you roll it in. That's my problem. I need to line it up with the hole.
These stupid things are such a pain to reuse, and it's like super sharp metal. We've each cut ourselves at least once.
I didn't cut myself. I got a glove.
That's how you have to do it. We saw these online and we thought it would be cool to take some high-speed footage of one going off and then cut one. Oh, I just almost launched it again in my hand. These things are dangerous. And then cut one while it's all wound up like this and see what it looks like.
Don't look down the barrel.
It's got the pin in it. It's safe. They're foolproof. Just like
You ready?
just like 1 minute ago, I almost shot this right into Mitchell's face.
Here, come over here.
Okay, these are actually pretty fun to play with. We spent quite a while trying to get Elliot with one.
I'm still gonna get him. Wait for it.
Root beer. Yeah! That's like the easiest one.
Just close your eyes, Elliot. Just close your eyes again.
Is that one? Pretend my groin is right there. I know the direction.
It's not that bad. Oh no, the pin didn't release.
You're not even aiming. I don't want a gut shot.
No, it won't be that bad. I promise.
No, I don't want it.
I missed. Okay, are you doing it?
I would love to.
Dang it, I missed.
You're
There we
good.
go.
No! You're getting too close. Stop.
I think I'm getting better at it. So, yeah, so like, I'm gonna be super smooth. Oh,
Holy.
look at that. Okay, Elliot, just close your eyes. Okay, keep them, hey, no, keep them closed.
No, I don't like it.
Keep them closed.
I don't like it. No, what are you doing? Yourself.
Okay, just close your eyes. Just close.
I get you.
Okay.
Oh no, I jumped on it.
Why did you jump on it?
It was an accident.
And these even look pretty cool in slow motion as they unravel. But the real reason we got these is we want to see one unravel while it's being cut with the Waterjet. We did a tape measure a while back and it was kind of cool, or so we remember. So now we're going to see what this looks like in slow motion. Got him. I was trying to discreetly show Mitchell I was recording, and it worked. And oh no, dude, it's still under. I don't know, I'm scared. It's like super jagged now.
Don't point it at me.
PTSD.
I don't know how it could even shoot up.
I don't know. I'm scared to keep touching it with my hand because it's like really sharp. It feels like it is still under a lot of tension. Here, you handle this with your hands. She's dead.
Like there's no continuous pieces in there.
Don't look down the barrel.
It didn't cut all the way through. I should have gone a little slower, I guess. A lot of layers of metal. But yeah, it's just like pieces that would unravel. And each piece, you know, it has some... Ow!
Do we cut one the other direction then?
I think we need to see if that's cooler, but... Yeah. Okay, this one is still like loaded, and it's just short now.
Go ahead. And it just turned into a giant snake.
So that's basically what it was before, just half of it's chopped off, the half that holds it together.
Oh, that center thing is solid.
Solid aluminum.
Oh, right there. It's riveted into it. So yeah, those were not,
I don't know what you're expecting.
I don't The last one, we'll just cut the pin off with the Waterjet and watch it fly. And then we've got some old tape measures that are not very good.
You can't read until up to about 20 inches.
We're gonna cut one of these and do that in slow motion because we remember that being cool.
But we didn't have slow motion then, and now we do, so we want you to see the things that we wish we could have seen before when we did it last time.
Like the first game. And I got smoked both games, bro, that I played.
So interesting.
That's the type of reaction we were expecting from those stupid baton staff things.
We're not that good at science stuff. The batons don't want to do that. Tape measure, part of it wants to be straight, and the other part wants to be coiled because it's the spring.
Wants to look like that. We still have a good half
Careful.
right there, but I don't want to prematurely unspring it until our camera is ready. Okay, now how do you get it out of there without...
Dying?
Yeah. Yeah, this is the end of the tape. Start pulling that out. Okay, now that's the end of the black. No, I wasn't quick enough. This is the end that you've got to pull out.
You gotta pull from the middle?
I don't know. I don't know where you pull from. Pull straight up. Well, I don't know how much of that I got, if any.